relationship with God.
Can I ask you, how is it that one says mathematics is the language of God? Can that be proven?
Yes. 2 plus 1 minus 3 is a statement by God. Because 2 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. That's God's order. That's a God order. Because you know that 2 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. The 0 is the symbol of God. 0 means where it came from, the reference point. Got it? Where it came from, the 0. Anytime you have something on the left that's equal to 0 and it's proven to be 0, that's infallible proof it came from God because it's 0. That's 0. That's why you have the Gij, comma J equal to 0. And it's proven to be perfectly correct. That means it came from God. But the ultimate difference in terms of GAGUT is that not only does that come from God, is the totality of reality revealed through that formula, and it all came from God. That's how God endowed me with the ultimate intelligence. There's nothing beyond that. And that's important for you, so you rise up to higher level. So that then you're not talking to, you can't compare me with Einstein with a few formulas. You can't compare me with Isaac Newton with a few formulas, or Gauss with a few formulas. That's what happened in Göttingen. The celebration of Gauss really was an excuse to celebrate GAGUT. Because that's what Gauss was looking for. And sure enough, he accomplished a lot. You know, he could be considered as a polymath because he had contributions in various directions, okay, of applied mathematics. In other words, there is geometry, and then the rest is application of geometry. Geometry, God's understanding, God's learning, God science, God information, God. So therefore, geometry. Therefore, now geometry is mathematics, or ma, we call it ma. The Arabs add the teeth part of it, ma'at, ma'de, you know, they got to be actually ma'de. In other words, that's intelligence. The Arabs will call it ma'at. The ma'at, ma'atikos. The ecos part is what was put in by the Greeks. But it's our word, it's our original word. Okay, now, so therefore, now, so because
ma'at is our original word?
No, ma is our word. Ma means intelligence or knowledge or understanding of an absolute truth or proven truth, which is understanding of reality. You are a proven truth because you hear, you have your boundaries, everything that constitutes you, as Minister Clemson Brown. You hear, you are a theory, you are reality. Okay? But you come out of Gij, you have a Gij. Do you understand? And Gij for you is Minister Brown minus Minister Brown is that reference point. You came from God. That's why you're a reality. 0, Minister Brown minus Minister Brown is a 0. Just like 2 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0.